Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. Perhaps you are currently using a SpaceMouse or have an unused one in your drawer. Then this new feature could be just the thing for you. With Service Pack 2 we support the latest SDK from 3D Connection. This means that you can now make full use of your SpaceMouse regardless of the model. I will show you this with my SpaceMouse Enterprise. First, it is very important to activate the SpaceMouse here in the settings. Let's start with the menu. At Advanced Settings you will find mainly options that influence the behavior of the SpaceMouse and must be set individually. At Buttons you can now use all the functions available in the ribbons. For example, I want to put the function Show Parts in Active View on button 8 instead of Hide all parts in active view. If I click on the arrow, the folder HiCAD is already visible in the list. Below this, there is a folder for each ribbon. Now I can search for the function in Views or simply enter the name. Furthermore, you can configure your own radial menus with 4 or 8 places. I've prepared one and place it on the spacebar here in the menu. HiCAD functions can also be used. In HiCAD, it looks like this. This allows you to access your most important and most frequently used functions at the touch of the button. In the past, it was a problem when rotating with the SpaceMouse if the cursor was not on a part. It was simply rotated around the screen plane. With Service Pack 2, the rotation point is now searched for differently by looking for the nearest geometry. This means that if I move the cursor far away from the parts, the rotation point is still placed on the next part. This makes the rotation much more precise. The SpaceMouse Enterprise offers another big advantage with additional keys. The keys V1 to V3 are assigned to Save and Restore View by default. This allows you to save multiple view angles and switch between them. The buttons below offer rotation by default, for example to the front view or the side view from the right. And if you can't find your model again, you can use Fit to show the overall view. Finally, it should be mentioned that the rotation is stopped when the controller cap no longer notices any deflection. The mouse movement thus no longer has any effect on the termination of the rotation. That was it for now. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing with HiCAD.